The different style. This is a blend door actuator. It could be it's an HVAC control. It can be called a lot of different things. Anyway, this is the shape. Just wanted to give you an idea of what it's like. There's only 2 pins here. So if you put the red one over here, green one over here, it's going to rotate one way. Actually, you could hear the sound of it having issues. Kickstart a little bit. See how it's turning. And if you turn it the other way, it will go the other way. And this is a lot simpler than the other one. Actually, it's working pretty nice that way. So the clicking sound was the issue, and it wasn't going back and forth, was it? It was stopping?
Yeah, it wasn't keeping it. It wasn't letting any cold air out.
All right, so this is the other type. Just a all you had to do is reverse the wires, and you can go in the other direction. This one is really simple. All right, take care. Thank you.